Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you allow text view copying in your sketchware app. So at first I'm creating an app, copy text. Now what I gonna do is giving a text view, giving its width match parent and even height match parent. Now I'm gonna on activity create. I'm gonna set some text on the text view. Text view, set text view 1, set text. I'm giving some text that I have copied the subscribe. Now then again on activity create, give this add source directly, and then give here text view 1 dot set text is selectable. Now and here true and at last a semicolon. Okay, now here I have given text view 1. You see text view 1 here. So this is because the text view, because the text view is text view 1. If it would be text view 2, then you would write here text view 2 here. Okay, so now everything is okay. Now I'm gonna run this app. Just wait a while till the app is being installed. Well, the app is run successfully. Now I'm going to install this app. Okay, now I'm opening the app. Here you see there is the text, here is the text here. Now I'm gonna tap on this text. Here you see, if I tap here, this is, I can copy this, share this, select all, everything I can do here. So in this way you also can share this text in any place. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more outstanding sketchware tutorials, and please like this video if you like it, and share a lot so that many one can get this tutorial. Okay, thanks.